everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, me and Kaleesi will be celebrating our Super Bowl Sunday by showing you all a DIY milk bath photo shoot. This is so easy, moms, and once you find out how easy it is, you will want to jump right in and join in the fun. So if you are doing a more blue tinted milk bath, you will use cool colored flowers. In my case, I am going to be doing a more creamier milk bath. So I am using warm colors. You can use whichever flowers you love, but that will just make the whole photo shoot come together and look more vibrant. So I will start by cutting the flowers and I will show you exactly how, and then we'll jump right into the photo shoot. So as you see, Kaleesi's all excited. She can't wait. So I have a bowl which I'm going to put all the flowers. Once I cut them, that's where I will hold them. You will cut the flowers right below where the flower ends, right where the stem begins. That is where you'll cut them. Okay, moms, now that we have all the flowers cut up, we are going to head to the tub and I will show you what to do next. First and foremost, what you want to do is you can lay down a white blanket. In my case, I am using a white towel, and I will run some warm water over it. There you have it, moms. Me and Kaleesi are enjoying this Super Bowl this Sunday. I just wanted to thank you, and so did she, on tuning in to Hi Moms with Bianca. The photo shoot was amazing and we got some awesome photos. We will see you on next week's video. Bye.